Hello everyone and welcome to today's unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing this. This is a 2.5-inch SSD inside a hard drive to a desktop 3.5-inch bay bracket. Basically, this is going to be used so you can install your laptop hard drives or an SSD into your desktop bracket bay. As you can see here, it's SSD compatible, so we will be able to install my solid state drive, and we'll be able to install another one. As you can see here, it has 3.5 into two 2.5 drives. And that's another awesome thing about this, is it comes with 2 SATA cables and power cables. Here's the back of the box. As you can see, it has the 2.5-inch bay, which is this, and then it comes with 2 SATA cables and then 1 power cable. Alright, so let's take a look inside. Alright, so right off the bat, we're seeing the bracket itself, some mounting screws, looks like some instructions, and here are the cables. You have 2 SATA cables and 1 power cable that goes into 2. That's nice. Alright, so yeah, we have the screws, we have 2 SATA cables and our power connector. And here is the bracket. That's pretty much all that comes in the box. Let's get our hard drive. Now will this go in here with this? No. Okay. So we have our hard drive. That's going to go. As you can see, there are screws on the side right here. These screws line up with those screw holes, and that's where you use these screws and screw them in there. Alright. That's it for this unboxing video, and if you want to see this being installed, I will have a video coming out shortly on the installation process. I will be installing this hard drive on this bay, as well as my solid state drive that is in the other video. Click here if you want to see that video. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like if you liked the video, subscribe, and you'll see that next video coming out here in the next few days. Alright, catch you guys later.